In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Booleans. To start, we're going to select the shape, hold the Shift key, select a second shape, and then go up to Add Shapes. This will combine the shapes into one object. We can also do the same by subtracting shapes. This time I'm going to select the square, hold Shift, select the circle, and then subtract shapes. If we select the objects in reverse, select the circle, hold Shift, and select the square, we can see that the shapes are cut in a different order. It is important to select the object that you want to cut first. To intersect, we're going to select our shapes and click Intersect Shapes. If we hold the Control key while using a Boolean command, we can see that the two shapes are not removed. Lastly, we can move the points of a subtracted shape by going to Edit Points, selecting the points, and then moving it as desired. Thanks for watching, and for more information about our software, please visit ideaspectrum.com.